PS4, di ba?
Yeah.
It's the original PS4. It's not the Pro and it wasn't the Slim.
Montreal. Let's go. We're in Ottawa, guys. Hmm?
Check right. Yellow.
Ah.
Kanya.
Oo. Try.
Yan hindi ako kabalong ng exercise. Kana, makaya na siguro na ako, pero ang problema, magbuwag license. I don't know kung pwede ba na siya mo i-road test.
Nga to. Nga to man itong motor ni Duterte, te. Duha sa atubangan.
Kaya natumba man ito siya. No?
Oo, natumba man siya.
Pagkatumba niya, ilisan.
Ilisan.
Hindi niya kaya.
Oo. Muna, duha niligid sa tubangan. French na Rue Nicolas Street. Nicolas Street. Yeah. Sa French, Rue Nicolas. Ottawa Police. There's a police over there. Oh.
Road closed on Catherine. It's okay, this knows. Not this one. The other one. Not this one, it's that one.
Ottawa Police Station. Walaan nga balay.
Agaw ni Ami, hindi man nagpuyo sa Ottawa sa
Bahan, guys.
Sa inyo siya.
St. Patrick Basilica.
Oo, siya.
St. Patrick Basilica.
Hindi na siya mag-mat. We're supposed to go there later. St. Patrick's Cathedral.
You're here at downtown na, guys. Downtown Ottawa. Downtown Ottawa namin, guys. So, yun. Jogging si ate.
Organ Hill?
Where's the parliament?
Oh.
Elements are here.
Yeah. Block?
Yep.
Stop. Alright.
Can't park here.
No?
Can we?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's blocked.
It's blocked by the police. Kami sa parliament na guys, pero balik sa ngita mi parking. Ang simbahan nila
No,
guys.
the parking was there.
So one.
Marriott.
You going to get the maximum? $5 every half hour.
Guys, remi sa may parliament. Now kayo nasa 11 to 12 degrees ang ugnaw. Nagbayad pa sila ate. Dari sa amin sa parking. Doon dito sa parliament. Oh guys. Ugnaw yun kayo guys. Starbucks. So, dara tong katedral guys oh. Namong giagihan ganina. Atay man yun. Ibate minong kong kahiyon. Mas katugnaw. Susuroy mi diri sa downtown Ottawa. Ipadulong mi dito sa parliament. Suroy mi dito pa daw sa parliament. Lahat na St. Patrick Cathedral Basilica. Awa guys oh. Wellington Street.
Ano mo nagbili ng Catholic pero St. Andrews, maraming ito ang
Adi siya Catholic.
pili. Ang Catholic ko at
Baraan gihapon siya ba? Awa
ito
guys.
katong na yung mga katong marag fire ba? Flame.
Eternal flame.
Flame. Nagka na magtapo ron para sa changing of the guard.
Oo. No. It's the flowers. Awang stone guys. Grabe.
Right here.
Bank of
The Bank of
Canada.
The head office for all of Canada.
Kana? Bank of Canada?
Yeah, right there. See the sign?
Yeah. Ayo, yeah. Oh, Bank of Canada.
Look at the size of it.
Canada Central Bank. Wow. Confederation. Canada. National Capital Division. Let's see guys.
Parliament Hill, ang tawag kaya naman siya sa hill.
Kani Parliament Hill. Kani siya. Nagad sa kong police eh. Ay, sus ko.
Marlene man.
Ninadges ako ang smile. Parliament Hill.
Manaog kanila.
Gila, oh. Wow. Ang Parliament Hills, guys. Stang ninduta. Nagsugod na yata eh. Sugod na. Nagsugod ng bagpipe. Naulahi ko. Duta ay. This area, Carlos, has a lot of old buildings like
yeah.
this. Stone buildings.
Yeah.
So this is really an old city, no?
Yeah.
Ottawa. Sulod ni guys. Sulod na si ate. Right? Look guys. Asa te? Kana na gate. Pa-picture tayo niya din na. Punta na namin diri guys.
Pwesto na yung taong niya diha kada tao.
Okay, wala na exercise guys. Tara te. Okay. So guys. Ako sa Parliament guys. So maunid diri sa Ottawa. Manilang capital diri. Ang Parliament Hills, Ottawa. Yeah. Maayo. Nikuha na siya. Oh, so guys, nami karon diri sa Parliament Hills na. So diri ang seat of government sa Canada. So nami karon silang field para sa changing of the guards. So mo nilang field, daghan na kay tao dito sa unahan. So diri mag-changing of the guards every 10 AM. So nami diri ni ate. Na si ate po doon. Nakiusyoso mi. Anyway, kabalo ng pagkuha na. Pero at least na-experience nato kung unsa po nilang way sa exchanging of the guards sa mga Canadians. Wala ko kabalo kung sa tuwa, Marines man na. Nag-exchanging of the guards sa Luneta. Pero dari, Marines ba ni sila? Kung kapangutana. Utano na tuon niya. Mga guys na mga gargoyles likod is Parliament Hills na guys, diha naga office si Prime Minister Trudeau dati, karon si McCartney na ang karon. So mga guys ang field. Ayoko na to ang
Welcome to the heart of Canada's capital, Ottawa, and the display of tradition, history, and pride that is the Ceremonial Guard. You are about to witness one of the most iconic things in the country, the changing of the Guard.
Bienvenue au cœur de la capitale du Canada, Ottawa, et découvrait la garde de cérémonie, symbole des traditions, d'histoire et de fierté. Vous êtes sur le point d'assister à l'une des cérémonies les plus emblématiques du pays, la relève de la garde.
We would like to begin by acknowledging that the land on which we gather is the traditional, unceded territory of the Algonquin Anishinaabe people.
Nous souhaitons tout d'abord reconnaître que le territoire sur lequel nous nous réunissons est le territoire traditionnel non cédé du peuple Algonquin Anishinaabe.
The Ceremonial Guard is pleased to welcome you to Parliament Hill, the seat of government in Canada. The Ceremonial Guard appears with the kind permission of the Commander of the Canadian Army, Lieutenant General Michael Wright.
La garde de cérémonie est heureuse de
Michael
vous
Wright.
accueillir sur la colline du Parlement. La garde de cérémonie
Saan na ka sila ate? Here they are. Here they are. Sila ate.
Ganahan ka ako mas one.
Okay. Ito yung front yun. Nasa tubangan.
Sila nag-entrance.
Oo.
So, nakakuha ko. Diha. Waka picture. Picture na. Side. Okay, nga side.
Kanisa oh. Alright.
But is there some people here from somewhere else?
Okay.
There's British
province.
Columbia.
Yeah.
British Columbia. There's Nunavut. See it?
Yeah.
Yukon.
You can
We gotta
circle.
find the one from
It's ours. Maybe up there. Back there.
Saskatchewan. See
Saskatchewan.
the one with the 3 weeks?
Yeah, Saskatchewan.
And it tells you the year that they became, I guess they joined, eh?
Oh, 1898, 1870. This is the new, 1999. It's new.
Yeah, because they just changed it. Because remember, it
Oh.
was called Northwest Territory.
Ah, yeah.
And they divided two of them. They divided this one, and
Oh.
there should be another one that's pretty close.
Oh. Okay, 49.
It was Nunavut and the other province that they made.
Maybe that's Ontario. Is it?
There's Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia, yeah.
That's New Brunswick.
Brunswick.
I think Ontario's that one with the Maple Leafs. You see
Over
it?
there?
Yeah.
I know.
The three
The
leaves.
three leaves. This is Ontario.
There it is. 1905. There's one. That wasn't that one over there.
Yeah.
But Ontario's the one with the three Maple Leafs.
Here. I thought it's
No.
there. Three maple leaves.
3 leaves.
Yeah. So, coat of mga nila sa each provinces.
That might be Quebec because it's got the fleur de lis upstairs.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
the
The
flake?
French.
And then that one there's Manitoba because it's got a buffalo.
Yeah. Above pala. So, dili na siya mamatay.
What's that?
It will never goes off.
No.
Eternal.
So 1967
Yeah.
was the centennial year.
Okay. Centennial year.
That's when my dad arrived in Canada.
Woo!
Centennial year.
67. So yun guys, no, this is it. Klase-klaseng mga arms na each provinces ng Canada.
Northwest Territories became two.
Yellowknife.
No, not Yellowknife. Nunavut and something else.
So yun guys, tapos na ang changing of the guards. So gawas kami ni ate, took a picture with soldiers. Siyempre, pailat And now we are going to
Basa na.
Canada's capital.
Para mabasa.